Hey guys, Gav from Ollie Drab Garage. Just get this light so I can look my spunkiest best for all my fans. She's hot today, boys. Alrighty, so today what we've been doing is cleaning up some parts on the Dodge. We did the clutch fork thingy jiggy whatever, the pressure's on the pressure plate. We're going to clean that up. We've got the little brackets for that just here, so we've got that. We're going to clean this piece up and that piece yet to go. So we did that. We cleaned up so this is the, I think this is the oil pickup for the Dodge 214 motor. Goes from the filter pickup to the main line. So clean that. Those are pretty rusty and crusty. So we're giving that a clean up, just letting that just dry off. And we have had a go. You sit there. Of course you're not going to sit there, are you? Right, and then we did the flywheel cover for the base. So we just cleaned that up, so nice and clean. So a little bit of corrosion on the inside there, as you can see. Nothing really too much of an issue, but you know, for original part, cleaned up pretty good. Happy with that. So what I'm going to have a crack at now, and you know me, I'm probably most likely going to screw it up, is doing that. I'll put some tinning butter, and I have my stick of solder here. This one's 4060 something. What is it? 40. I can't remember what this one is. Whatever that is. I think it's 40, 10, 60 lead or something. Maybe the other way. Not too sure. Anyway, so that's what we're going to have a crack at today. So we've got that. Just got to get some bits and pieces together. And then what we're going to do is we're going to try and fix that. See that, guys? Sorry guys, not the best. You see those little holes there? Okay, so there's a hole here, there's some sort of divots in here, hole there, hole there, hole there, there's a divot here, there's another hole over here, there's a couple of holes. So what we're going to do, I'm going to have a go at putting the tinning on it and then putting the lead on it and see if we can smooth it out a little bit. So that's what I'm going to try and achieve today. It is pretty it's pretty damn hot today, guys. As you can see, I'm just wearing junky clothes today, and well, I've been doing some big days, man. I've been doing 13-hour days at work all week, and I get home and I'm struggling to eat my dinner and have a shower, and I'm literally passing out, going to bed before the kids are. So sorry for not getting the videos out. I've got a whole bunch of videos I want to get done, and a whole bunch of work I want to get done over the next couple of weeks, especially next week, because it's going to be I think it's like a week-long public holiday with all the weekends and public holidays that come with it. So that'll be good. And the goal for next week is to get all the stuff done on the Jeep that I want to get done, so we can get it painted and get the wiring loom into it and then make it to the frame. So there's a heap of work that's got to be done on that, and that's going to do my head in. Anyway guys, I'm going to get this organised, get the camera set up again and see how we go. Cool. That was a failure. As you can see, that just didn't work. Even after I, really scrubbed in it and wire brushed it, the bits that you can see that are corroded, for some reason had a reaction with the tinning butter. So it didn't even take it up, just dribbled out. So that's kind of annoying. I don't know. Figure out how this is, why it's doing that. All right. Yeah, guys, it's a bust. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm putting the tinning butter on, as you can see, but it just seems to be where this is all corroded. I don't know, there's maybe some sort of chemical reaction or something. Like, it's got me buggered. Now you saw me wire wheeling it, getting it as clean as I could. Yeah, that's a high-speed wire wheel, this one here. So, what's that? 15,000 RPM steel wheel. Like, what am I doing wrong, fellas? Give me some tips. Tell me why this isn't sticking. It's just dripping. Look, it's dripping straight down. Anyway. Oh, ain't in the butt. Alright, gents, as you saw, I tried using that tinning butter. It's supposed to be idiot proof. Obviously, this crash test dummy proved them wrong. I don't know what I'm doing. You take it out. It's pretty liquidy. Because I don't know, maybe you need to shake it a bit or something. It's settled. But we use a little applicator like that and just put it on. First time I put it on pretty light. Second time we put it on pretty thick. You saw me struggle a bit with my butane torch because it's just junk. I've got to buy another one. You wouldn't believe it. A new one of these things here in Australia started $100. Yeah. Don't you love buying tools in Australia? So guys, give me some tips, give me ideas. I mean, the next thing I was thinking of doing is grinding it down with that and trying to get really right down into fresh metal. But I've got a sneaking suspicion that the rust has oxidized, had a chemical reaction, and it's done some sort of change to the metal. Short of using that, alright, like your little sanding disc, or a what would you call it, like a burring tool, to grind it out and try and get into fresh metal. You know what I'm talking about. I'll go get it, hang on. So it's either we have a crack at this, sanding it, using a burring tool like this. Yeah, carbide tip burring tool, which is probably going to be pretty aggressive. So I don't know, guys, give me your thoughts. Shall we have a crack at this? Grind it out a little bit, see how we go. I might do it off camera and see what comes about with it. But I'm pretty buggered right now. It's hot and I've got to go have a shower, get changed, have dinner, run around with 3 monkeys, and then get into bed, because once again I've got to be up at 2 AM to go and do another 13-hour shift and come home tomorrow and see if I've got any energy to have a crack at this. So this is what I do. It's taken 6 years to do this. 6 years. Time, energy, money. As you can hear, the monkeys are going crazy upstairs, running around, so that's what that noise is up there. So anyway, it's Sunday afternoon, it's till time. I've got beers and bourbon upstairs, and I've kind of got to the point I've just had enough of mucking around with this. I've wide wheeled, I've cleaned enough today. I did actually want to get out and do some whippersnipping, but oh geez, I ain't doing that today. I'll have a crack at that next weekend when it's Christmas weekend. But anyway, I'm gonna have one more go. I think I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna grind it out. I'm gonna have one little spot, and we'll see how we go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for bearing with me. Jump on to the Instagram page, which is Olive Drab Garage. As an underscore between each word, so it's Olive_Drab_Garage. I am trying to post up stuff there as much as I can, and keep you guys interested and show you bits and pieces of things that I haven't been able to find. There's nowhere on the internet of any bloke is doing this. Show me how to do this on a Dodge. Like, how do I make the hinges? I've got to figure this all out with my own little beady brain and figure out why this isn't gripping. So anyway, enjoy, guys, and I'll catch up with you on the next video. Cool. Thanks. See yous. Alright, guys, so we had another crack after that last bit of video. That's the remnants of it there. So one there, and a bit there, and a bit there. And if I turn it over, it kinda, I don't know, kinda works. It just seemed to be that I had to keep putting more tinning butter on it. That's just the bit's gonna come off it. Yeah, it's not bad. Kinda works. Perseverance, I guess. What do you reckon, guys? You can definitely see where the lead is, because it's that brighter. But alright. If I can get this on a better angle, maybe. You can kind of see, like it's not raised. Just slide your hand over it. It's pretty smooth. So, and that's that divot there. Alright, guys, thanks for that. Catch us later.